Welcome to Pausii. Let's begin with a moment of pause. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Hold it for a moment. And gently release it. This is your time to let go of the day, to step away from the thoughts and worries that might be keeping you awake, and to drift into deep and restful sleep. Tonight, we'll guide you on a journey of relaxation, helping your body and mind to unwind completely. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. Whether you're lying down or seated, let your body settle and feel fully supported. This is your time to rest. Take a deep breath in, slowly and gently. Feel your lungs expand, bringing in calm and ease. And now, exhale fully. Letting go of any tension or heaviness. Let's repeat this together. Inhale deeply. Hold it for a moment. And exhale slowly. Feel your body softening with each breath. With every inhale, invite calmness into your body. With every exhale, release the events of the day. Let go of anything you don't need right now. Let's begin a gentle body scan to melt away any tension. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Imagine a warm, soothing light gently resting there. With each breath, feel this light begin to flow down, relaxing your scalp, softening your forehead, and releasing your jaw. Feel this light move down your neck and shoulders. Let it ease away any tightness, leaving you feeling soft and weightless. Now let the light flow into your arms, your hands, and your fingertips. Imagine them growing lighter, as if they're floating on air. Bring your awareness to the chest and back. With each breath, feel the light expanding, releasing any tension you're holding here. Let it flow to your stomach, softening any knots or tightness. Feel your body becoming lighter and more at ease. Now move to your hips, thighs, and knees. Allow the light to gently release tension in these areas. Finally, let the light travel down your calves, ankles, and feet. Feel the warmth and relaxation washing over you, carrying away the last bits of tension. Your entire body is now at rest, calm and ready for sleep. Now, let's take a journey to a place of peace and rest. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a tranquil forest at twilight. The air is cool, and a soft breeze carries the scent of trees and fresh earth. A gentle path leads you to a cozy cabin nestled among the trees, a safe, restful haven created just for you. As you step inside, you notice the soft glow of candlelight and the comforting warmth of the room. There's a bed here, perfectly inviting, with blankets that feel like clouds. Lie down in this space in your mind. Feel the comfort of the blankets wrapping around you, the safety of this space enveloping you. With every breath, feel yourself sinking deeper into relaxation. The walls of this cabin shield you from all worries. And here, in this place, you are completely at peace. Take a moment to rest here. Let your mind quiet, your body soften, and your thoughts fade into the background. As you drift deeper into rest, repeat these affirmations silently to yourself. I am safe, and my body is ready for sleep. I release the worries of the day. Each breath brings me closer to peace. I deserve this time to rest and restore. Let each affirmation settle into your mind as you continue to breathe deeply. There's nothing more you need to do now. Let your body sink into the surface beneath you. Let your breath flow naturally, soft and gentle. Feel the soothing light surrounding you, keeping you safe and calm as you drift into a deep, restorative sleep. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring it back to your breath. With every inhale, feel calmness deepen. With every exhale, feel yourself drifting further into rest. Sweet dreams, and thank you for pausing with Pausii tonight.